So here we are with the Redmi Buds 6 Active that costs around 15 bucks, brand new from Xiaomi. And first of all, quick specification, we can find here 14.2mm large dynamic driver, 2 microphone for noise reduction for calls, up to 30 hours battery life with charging case, support for Xiaomi earbuds application, equalizer, and this wind noise reduction for calls. Also, it comes with the Google Fast Pairing, and it's available in the 3 different colors. In my case, there's the blue. Okay, and that's how it looks. This is the glossy plastic on the front. It unfortunately already comes with scratches. Or no, okay, that's actually not scratches. There was actually some kind of the mess right here. But when I clean this, it looks fine right now. So that's how it looks. Let's take them out of the case. And the case looks like this. There's small indicator, USB-C input, the button for the pairing and reset probably. And at the bottom some kind of the marking. Nothing interesting, but it's not that bad honestly. It doesn't feel like super cheap plastic. And earbuds looks like this. They actually comes without the ear tips, as you can see. So you don't have to exchange them. And I believe, okay, there's also the transparency effect, as you can see. So we can find what is inside. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera just to show you. Take a look. That's pretty cool. I like it. And they are actually well made. Yeah, okay, right now I'm gonna connect them and let's see what features we can find inside. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, on the application we can find gestures. So we got the top left ones on the left and the right one, and what we can add here, we can change songs, we can volume up and volume down and play and pause. Now we got the double tap, so we can actually change the same, set the same functions for the triple tap. This is the same, and on the press and the hold we can use the voice assistant on the both earbuds. And you can also turn off this if you don't want to use them, so that's pretty nice. We can also find audio effects, so this is the equalizer, so we can increase bass, voice, and boost the volume. Okay, we get the additional settings. We can rename our earphones. Now nothing interesting. We can also find them, but there's only the sound signaling, so there's like no location. But honestly, there's like $15 bucks, so we cannot expect anything right here. And what is more right here? Some serial number, stuff like this. Okay, so that will be all. There's no noise cancellation, there's no transparency mode, but we have to remember that this is only $15 earbuds. Very cheap, quick connection, no any problem. The design is really nice. The build quality is also really nice, like for 15 bucks. And yeah, that will be all. The quick overview of the specs, of the features, and the small unboxing of this device. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.